And we know a lot of, like in this quarantine facility, we're talking about fall armyworm, which is affecting maize. This is the main research now going on here. So we're importing some of the fall armyworm to come and we test here. We also have the one on eucalyptus. And we are hoping that for other trees, our scientists will tell us, which disease is affecting what trees to make sure that across the country, that survival rate we are looking for is achieved because there will be no diseases infecting on our trees. Facility, I'm briefed that is the only facility here, and actually the second in Africa, as CAS has said. So it is a facility, and I think I had the figures. Actually, I'm briefed that it is 50 million shillings that has been invested here, excluding the building.
Tariu nituraruta wira hamwe na andu metagwo Karo na angi metagwo Kambi International thiini wa facility ino niguo tuhote kuona ati nitwa heria thina uria turakorwo naguo mwena wigie mbembe tondu wa fall armyworm area twinayo. Koguo nitukurehe tutambi turia tunini tuke turorerwo guku twike research yatuo tututhome uria tukuraga na uria tungihota gukurio twiho na uria tutangihota guthukia environment ira tugututwara niguo tuhote kurehe thi kindu gitagwo the fall armyworm niguo tuhote kuongerera uruti ukuria wa mbembe iria irakorwo iri kindu kimwe turenda muno ni undu wa irio iria turiaga guku thiini wa Kenya. Locust kana ngige icio ciagwetwo ni kindu kimwe kirakorwo githukia mimera yothe iria turiaga nginya miti. Na undu uria tureka currently ni undu uria namba ciekuo muno ni dawa turahura tutigihota guthie na mbere kuhura dawa o hindi. Koguo already ni turageria kuruta wira hamwe institute iria mostly thiini wa agriculture ni iraruta hamwe niguo ciethe tutambi turia tungihota guka kunina ngige kana kindu twitaga biopesticide. Indo ingi igukorwo ire soft thiini wa environment iteguthukia environment ihote gukorwo ikiririzwo niguo tuhote gu sustain kuiga population ya ngige the view.
Arimi maina thina muingi muno kuri migunda ngithie ukona mbembe nyingi igitwo ni nguga icio na icio iturauga wa armyworm ire guku na kio twaruta wira ucio wa kiria. So ukona ati utiro na ha 40% ni thukagio mbembe ni thukagio niki ni nguga icio riu ngimagine 40% ri ni kiasi kinene muno. Dawa imwe kwanja ni thia igathukia mathingira environment igathia igathukia koguo ti njega riu ciathi thiini wa kiria ri wa environment ri ni guthukia maundu mangi ika affect indo ingi thiini wa environment.